All right, so it's 6:45, and it's Tuesday morning. And let's take a look over here. I came out here late last night and there was a dot right about here. So I got up underneath and took a look, and it was coming off of this rear bolt on this cap. So I took the whole thing off, made a new gasket, and seems to be holding. I haven't started the bike, but it seems to be tight. And no drips overnight. This area seems to be good. Now before, there was oil coming from this seam right here, so let's see what we have here. Oh, that's so nice. Apparently sealing those two screw bolts right there seemed to solve that problem. So I mean, like, seriously, I'm going to start the bike in a little while after I get into some working clothes, and probably let it sit overnight one more time. So man, you can't beat that with a stick. Cool. So I'm gonna go get out of these walking clothes and take a shower, and probably come out here and fool around with something. Maybe I'll put this aside. Maybe I'll start this bike, let it run, get it warm. Then I'll put it aside, park it over here, and put this green bike up there and start reconnoitering, trying to decide what it is I have to do to put it back together. Seems like a lot of boxes for just the top end off, but we'll find out when I do the inventory. So that's where we are. Interesting. Well, good morning. It's still Tuesday morning, and I'm going to do a cold start on this bike. I did a cold start yesterday, and I mean, it fired right up, and then it stalled. And then there was about a section in there, about 40, me kicking it 40 times, that I edited out because there was unseemly language involved. And then it started back up again, and I reset the pilot jet's air jet settings, and it sounded great. Now I'm going to do that again. I'm going to start it again, cold start today. Twice the right cylinder has come up as a lazy cylinder. Don't know why. But let's see how it goes. I'm beginning to think that maybe I should take a look at the pilot jets in this thing, find out what it's got in it, and then maybe get a one size larger pilot jet and put it in there. These are Premiers, so you can change the pilot jets. So anyway, let's see if it has an idiosyncrasy where it starts right away, and then whether or not it will calm down and idle. So here we go, cold start, and then I'm going to put it aside and let it do a 24-hour leak check again and see how it goes. That's kind of low. I'm going to stop the video for a moment while I put more gas in here and get the level a little bit higher. I'll be back. All right, so that's about half a tank in the bike and a quarter of a tank on the floor. And I'll show you something you may not know that take a look at the gas cap. It lifts up like so, okay? It lifts up like this. That got the reputation, I used to call that the castrator cap, because you fly over the handlebars and that cap would pop open and bad things would happen. So along around 73 or 74, they turn these around so that they open this way. And that seems to at least giving you a soft exit as you fly by it. So for example, on my bike, mine's a 74. Same cap, different way. I don't know if they changed in 73, 74 when they did, but they figured that out. So let's go back to cold starting this thing. All right, so let's just set this up. And I will go over and stroke upon the bike. Good tickle. I'm a bouncer. Good tickle. Key on. Good battery. Let's see how it goes. To say, can't beat that with a stick. My ear tack tells me that it was idling at around 900 RPM or so. The tack's not hooked up right now, but I would say it was probably idling right around 900 RPM. Maybe a little low, but I think that when it gets warmer, it picks up 100 RPM or so. In other words, I'm not going to change anything. I'm happy with it. So I'm going to put it over to the side. And I'll put a pan underneath of it with, excuse me, paper towels, just to monitor any oil drippage at all. When I get the new tack cable, when I get the new shocks, I'll put it back on the lift and complete the bike. So far so good. I'm happy as a clam.